Hello, I'm Brian Withers, empowerment coach, trainer, and author. And I wanted to throw in this extra video today because many of you have noticed that the messaging is very repetitive in these videos over the months. And that, of course, is by design because the intention of this channel is to help you reprogram your beliefs back to their natural high vibration place. Because if you remember the very first two series I did in this channel, they were both beliefs. And as children, roughly in the first 8 years of our life, we are programmed with all kinds of faulty and limiting beliefs that have come from centuries and centuries ago, thousands of years, and through generation and generation and generation, all to today. A lot of that still exists on the planet. And as time, we've got to get away from that. We got to stop that reprogramming of the children coming in with that old information, and we've got to get them this new, accurate, I shouldn't say new, I should say the accurate knowledge of life. We want them to understand who they are and why they're here and what their power is and how life is to be lived, how it's set up so that it can be a good life for all of us. So the messaging in the videos is repetitive so that we get that reprogramming effect kind of in reverse of what we got as children, because we got loaded up and the people around us didn't know they were doing it, and as children we didn't know it was happening, but it did happen. And so as it goes, we're not responsible for the programming as children, but we're certainly responsible for the reprogramming as adults. And so what I want to do is help you with that. And so as you get this repetitive messaging about the creative process, about your inner being, about how good you are, about how good life is for you, about how powerful your thought energy is, and how you can choose good feeling thoughts at all the time, day after day after day, I want to impress that upon you so it starts to stick and you realize that's the thing that's going to change what's manifesting in your life. Because as you change your present moment thinking, consistently every day, it's going to start to funnel into your subconscious and displace those faulty beliefs. That's the way they got in the first place. We accepted that thinking as children. We thought it was true, accurate. It came from people we trusted around us, and they did the best that they could, but it just was faulty. So now we got to do that sort of again, but we got to bring in the good information and do that thinking so that we displace those faulty beliefs. Because when we came in, we were high vibration, all right? We were high vibration beings, and then we picked up all those faulty beliefs, and you can see the curve. This deep curve represents a frequency that is low, because we dip down, and then we come up, and then we dip down. High vibration is just a little dip and up, little dip and up, and that's high vibration. So our vibration went to low vibration as we grew up into a big body, and here we are in a big body. That's not going to change. We're grown up now. But what we want to change, we want to go back to the high vibration frequency that's natural to us. And the way we achieve that is through our thought energy. And the way we achieve that is through a repetitive messaging that is accurate and tells us the truth of life and the truth of ourself and how life really works. So that's what I'm doing here on the channel. And if that's enough for you, then that's fantastic. If you want to augment that, there are my two books that in particular that really help with this, and together they're very powerful. Higher Vibrations for Health, Happiness, and Harmony, that 20-week program in there, very powerful to get you thinking in the new ways. And so going through the program and doing all the pieces to that keep you really engaged day after day. That's over 5 months, so that's a really good saturation. And of course, the Book of Life gives you all the reasons. It helps you understand the broader perspective and why your thought energy is so powerful and what it leverages when you are there at that higher level. And of course, we're leveraging universal resources too, and we're low vibration, but we're leveraging them in a low vibration way. And so they're working, in conjunction with that, but it's not something that we really want, because low vibration is not that really, it doesn't bring back to us the things that we like. So it's consistent messaging about feel good. Ultimately, it's the feel good messaging, and then everything around that supports why you would want to feel good and how you do that. And so there's conditional and unconditional feel good. So conditional feel good, we're all used to that. So if we see something we like, that's a condition, and we feel good. However, if we see something we don't like, then somehow, and now if you're understanding the creative process, you can understand how you can still feel good even though that thing is not the way you like it to be. And that's essential, because if you let the situation that you don't like pull your vibration down, in other words, cause you to think thoughts that don't feel good, well, now you're going on this big curve again. You're just going up and down with life, and you're on that cycle. Nothing's going to change. So we want to be able to look at things we don't like and still feel good. And that's where unconditional feel good comes in, unconditional happiness. And how can we be there? Well, that's where we really want to know about the creative process, because then we learn about how the asking happens automatically, and it happens from those things that are unwanted. And then our inner being creates that vibrational reality. And so it's already a done deal, that the thing that we want, the improved situation. And it's on the way to us. So what's not to be happy about when you really know that that's the way it works? Then you're absolutely happy. You don't have a date, but you also know that the path that your inner being sets up is a very satisfying path, that so much of the joy of life is in that path, and it happens in your daily life through inspired action, right time, right place, the encounters and synchronicities that you have with people. That's all part of the path, and it draws you along to receive the things that you want. But you get there as you get that repetitive messaging, so you don't keep falling back into faulty beliefs and thinking all those negative feeling thoughts about things and about yourself and about others and that kind of thing. So that's what I want to achieve here on the channel. And so, like I say, if the videos here are enough for you, that's fantastic to get that programming done. And as you switch the balance in your subconscious mind from faulty beliefs to natural beliefs, then your energy to law of attraction is going to be at that higher vibration streaming level, where then a byproduct of that is, of course, going to be the things that you want are going to start to manifest. If you want even more saturation, there is my Higher Vibrations Mastery group, and there's content in there, there's documents in there, and there is live sessions in there. So it's just another way. Whatever level you feel is good for you and is going to help you, but this is the thing that has to happen. So it doesn't matter, it's not one book you're going to read or one video you're going to watch that you're going to get the answer, like, oh, this is the one. And what do they call it on YouTube? Clickbait. A lot of these fancy titles, they want you to believe that if you watch that thing, you're going to get the answer and it's going to do it for you. No, run for the hills when you see that, because you need the repetitive messaging. You need to displace those faulty beliefs in your subconscious mind, and that comes from repetitive messaging. So if you like my teachings, stick with them and keep going and keep doing what you're seeing in the videos and the books. And if you're in my group, just keep doing it, thinking like that, processing everything in your life in this way that feels good. Because if you jump around, right, and if you find another teaching that you like and it's giving you that messaging and helping you to displace those faulty beliefs, that's fine too. It doesn't matter where you get it from, but pick something and be consistent. Because if you go from one place and you're looking for the answer and you think, oh, this is not it, and then you go to the next place and that's not it, and you just keep bouncing around, nothing is going to change. You're not really doing any kind of consistency with your thought energy, and so there's no change in your belief is that's going to happen. So just know that just pick where you want to be, pick something that you trust, that it looks sensible, it looks like it could be something that you could really change your thinking, change your subconscious. And then if you're trusting that energy going to the law of attraction is what's causing what's manifesting in your life, and you're trusting feel good, then you got it made. Then it's just understanding that there's a momentum shift that has to happen. So 30, 60, 90 days, could be longer. It depends on where the momentum, the negative momentum is for faulty beliefs. But certainly in 30 to 90 days, usually almost always is enough to see some level of change. And you've seen that in my 6 stages of manifestation change. that in stages 4, 5, and 6, after you get solid with how everything works, now you notice you're feeling calm in stage 4. In stage 5, you're seeing things flow better. That's manifestational change. And then in 6, you're going to see the manifestations change. So, you're getting the whole picture here, and however much you want to take of it, that's up to you. Like I say, you can just get the videos and keep watching them. There is the books, there is the channel, even one-on-one coaching. If that's helpful and that answers some questions and gets you going, and then that's another way that you can saturate your mind and keep it daily in that consistency of the new thinking that you're engaging with, that you're learning here. So I wanted to throw this video in just so you get a perspective of what these videos are all about. It may seem like they're all over the board, or maybe that it seems so repetitive that nothing's changing, but the message is repetitive because it wants to impress upon you why you came here, the wholeness of who you are, how desire is born and turns to things, physical things, effortlessly, and why everything happens as it does, and why you are the creator of your reality. You always are, but you want to learn to be the intentional creator of your reality, because if you look at your life now, you are the creator of all of that, and if it's not the way you want it to be, that means you just haven't been intentional, and all of this stuff is helping you to be intentional with your conscious mind, your powerful conscious mind. So just wanted to throw this one in here so there's good orientation as to what you're seeing here on the channel and what I offer as an empowerment coach and trainer. So let me leave it there, and if you have any questions, leave them on the post. Thanks for listening in, and have yourself a great day.